One project that we're very proud about is the LNG project we've just recently completed on the west coast of Canada. The LNG project was a large capital work project. It was a long, elaborated process of planning and engineering with respect to what was about to take place on site. We anticipated the project to last only a specific amount of time. Unfortunately, due to the conditions that they're working in, materials, other delays, the project did labor on a little bit. And so happy to report on our side, we're able to leverage technology and our innovation, the SmartCenter specifically, our process, as well as our field innovations, such as the MagneMat, which removes 80% of pins, but also expedites the setup of the material. And so there's a significant amount of time saving, exposure savings on the safety side there for you that plays a large role in our success. No lost time incidents. We're able to use that innovation, to use our SmartWay process to execute the project safely, to minimize that exposure to the technicians in that environment, and of course, to lessen the cost on their side as cost was building as the project labored on. On a project that had 48,000 hours, and 20% of those being unanticipated hours, we're able to go into our client and show that we've saved 18,000 hours or the cost of $1.3 million on the project by leveraging our SmartCenter and our SmartWay process. That's a very nice feeling when you can do that.